Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: installed Image Edge desktop and an active account. Next, link the source folder to your workspace so files stream in. Once done, grant read/write permissions and enable GPU acceleration if present to speed processing. You should also set a dedicated cache folder and memory limit to avoid slowdowns. These first steps let the app index images and prepare pipelines. Make sure indexing completes before moving to creation and editing. You create a project and import images. Dragging folders works fastest. Then pick a pipeline such as enhance, crop, or batch process and preview the settings to validate output. Once satisfied, adjust layers, masks, and AI parameters to refine results. These controls let you balance sharpness, noise reduction, and color. As you iterate, save presets so repeat tasks become one-click operations. Also, split large batches into chunks to monitor quality and avoid memory spikes during processing. You finalize work by choosing export format, resolution, and color space, then run a short test export to verify metadata and image integrity. Once confirmed, use batch export for remaining files and avoid deleting originals until validation is complete. If processing stalls or the app crashes, clear the cache, update GPU drivers, and restart the computer. If that fails, run Image Edge Desktop in safe mode to isolate problematic plugins or presets. These final checks ensure reliable, reproducible output every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.